As an agency with multiple clients, having the correct setup is the first step to effectively using Upfluence. You'll have to give access to different stakeholders such as your team members and your clients. Often, as an agency, you'll be handling multiple websites and client goals as well. In this video, we'll dive into the best strategies to set up your account. Check out the whole playlist for best practices on managing multiple client campaigns, lists, and payments as an agency. First, click on the bottom left icon so we can have a look at our settings. Let's start with user management. We have multiple seats, so this is where I can invite the rest of my colleagues. To invite team members, you'll have to press the blue button to invite members. Next, you will add their email, select the team they're on, and select the user role. We have 3 main goals that have varying levels of access and authority. You can always reach out to your account manager to add more seats to your account as your team grows. Hopping over to integrations, you can integrate as many Gmail or Outlook email addresses as you want to your Upfluence account. This makes it easy to manage outreach from multiple clients at once, and all email correspondence can then be handled directly within Upfluence. What about if your clients are selling online and you want to run affiliate campaigns, easily ship products out to creators, and find out which of their customers are influencers? You can have as many e-commerce store integrations as you want to. Maybe you have 4 clients whose CMS is built on Shopify, 3 of them use Magento, 2 are built on WooCommerce, and 1 on BigCommerce. You can link them all. So what information will you need from your client? A few details that they can copy and paste from the back end of their websites. This only needs to be done once per site integration, and the site will stay integrated until you disconnect it. Do your clients have Amazon Ads accounts? Perfect. You can integrate those too and create affiliate links to drive traffic straight to their Amazon store. Just like our other integrations, you can have infinite Amazon Ads accounts linked. When your client uses Klaviyo, easily integrate this too to scan their email database for the next superstar influencers. We don't use this integration for any feature other than influential customer matching. It's never been easier to pay influencers their flat fees and commissions. With Upfluence Pay, yes, I can manage all my payments directly through Upfluence, but I can also set up multiple Upfluence Pay pots. I can set up different account for each client or brand and add funds to the relevant account by direct debit, wire transfer, or credit card. Having separate accounts for my projects lets me track my budget and spend in real time. To share these integrations across multiple users, you will hover on the 3 dots at the end of the integration and choose the team member you'd like to share it with. This applies to all the integrations. If you navigate over to your General Information tab on your settings, you can also establish default ownership, which will set how your information shares across teams. Everyone sets up their own default ownership, so if you're seeing too much of another team member's work, ask them to check if this is their default setting. This is the default, however, you can still share individual projects such as lists and campaigns. Join us for our other videos where we discuss setting up lists and campaigns and provide tips and tricks on how to organize your community as a multi-brand agency. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.